Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about how can we set default font size in our Infinix phone. Guys you want to set your font default size and guys you want to use your phone default size. So how can you use your font default size setting in your Infinix phone? In this video I will show you guys. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting to set your default font size. Then guys scroll. Guys click on display and brightness. Guys click on your font size setting. Friends, you can see guys your small, default and large size. So we want to get default size, so we will click on this default and guys come back. Then guys you can see font size will default in your Infinix phone. Font size will default. So like that guys you can default your font size. You can set your default font size in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with a topic. Before going please go and like the video. Bye.